today. That sounds like a good idea. Yeah, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Ninja Rock sounds super fun.
I can't wait.
Yeah, Piggy Pal, I'm a smooth here. I love Ninja Rocks. Let's go. Yeah. Whoa. Check out all those anthills.
There's so many ants.
Oh, man, there's ants everywhere.
There's ants
Look, they're all
everywhere.
over the ground. Yeah, Piggy Power, no more. Oh, let's go down and check them out. Yeah, I like it.
All
Let's
over
go
the
see.
place.
Let's go see.
They're gonna get us.
Dolly Rat, check it out. All the ants are crawling all over me. Yeah, those ants. Yeah, and see you guys do this. Yeah, that's a Dolly Rat. Yeah. Oh, Piggy Power, I'm getting ants all over me. Check it out, Ash. I totally did it. Yeah, Piggy Power. Let's see you did this one, Charlie. Can you? Yeah, Toy Bananas. Check it out. I have ants crawling all over me. Yeah. Check it, Gunter Ash. I totally got you on this one. Yeah. Totally Bananas. Look, the ants like me. Yeah. Whoa, there are ants everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Totally Bananas. Ouch. You're trying to bite me. Ouch. 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 Ouch.
Oh, I'm on my ant hill. Check it out. They're crawling on my feet. I'm doing pretty good there. Yeah. Yeah, I like these ants. Yeah.
Mr. Moon here. I don't think I like being with these ants very much. Oh, they kind of tickle. They're tickling. Yeah, they're just tickling me right now. Yeah, just tickling, but I did it. I did it. Yes, I did.
I think I win here, guys. Check this out. Oh, they're all over me. It totally tickles. It totally tickles. Oh my goodness, I swear I have like 20 ants on me. No, I think it's 30. No, I think it's 40. Yeah! I did it! I'm in the ants! Check it out! Woohoo! Yeah! It does kind of tickle. Oh, yeah, one just went down my arm. Oh my goodness, this is super fun. Oh, they're getting all over me now. Yeah! We started ant piles. Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa, check it out. They're cows.
Yeah, I see a cute little baby one over there. Oh, so cute.
Mr. Moon here. I love these cows. Yeah. Yeah. Moo. 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 That's so cool. Moo.
Oh, this is so much a Dolly Rat. I love it. Yeah. Moo. Check out these cows. I totally dig them. Yeah. Rock and roll. Love these cows. Yeah.
Yeah, I love these cows. Moo. 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 Yeah. Totally awesome. Yeah. Look at that cute little baby cow. Yeah. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Check out all these rocks.
Yeah, they're rad. They're everywhere.
Yeah, Miss Moon here. I like this.
Yeah, I like this. We can get that down here. Yeah, I do like to be snuggled up on these warm rocks.
Yeah, check them out. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Yes, Totally Bananas. We got so many rocks here. Yeah, they're everywhere. This is super cool. Yeah, I like this nature hunt.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, Piggy Power.
Yeah, it's totally rad. Yeah, rocks are awesome. Yeah.
Hey, look at the pretty river down there.
Pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. Oh, I just want to go jump right in.
Miss Moon here, I love it too.
Yeah, it's totally rad. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Totally Bananas looks so pretty. Yeah, I love rivers. Yeah. Yeah, we're down in the river. Totally Bananas, I want to go play.
Oh, it looks like so much fun. Oh, I want to jump in and play right now. Yeah.
I want to play too. Miss Moon here, it looks like so much fun. Yeah, Totally Bananas. Yeah, I love rivers. Yeah.
Oh, I love being in the river. It's so fun.
Miss Moon here, I got stuck in the sand.
Oh, it's so fun. Oh, Piggy Power. It's falling in the sand.
Oh, just Totally Bananas. I love being in the river. This is lots of fun. Look at this. Yeah, we're in the river. It's so fun.
Yeah, it's totally rad. Yeah, I love playing in the river. Yeah. Woo, yeah.
Woo, Totally Bananas. Yeah. Oh, Piggy Power. Look at these reeds.
Oh, they're so cool. Yeah, they're totally rad. I love being down here by the river. These are so cool and so super tall. Look at those cool reeds. Oh, they're awesome. Yeah, this is totally fun. I love being coming down the river. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Totally Bananas. I love it too.
Oh, yeah, it's super fun. Yeah.
Hey, that was lots of fun.
I love it.
I'm so tired though.
Yeah, I'm totally wore out. That was super long. It took forever. Oh, wasn't that bad?
Oh, Piggy Power, I'm ready to go again. Let's go again.
let's
Mr.
go
Moody,
again.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it again. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm Totally Bananas.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Woo, yeah. See you next